up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Evelyn. This is OK Evelyn TV. If you are an old subscriber, thank you so much for clicking to watch me once again. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for clicking, and you should definitely consider subscribing. After you watch this video, I make videos on how my style is transforming or transitioning or turning into a young woman as I go from a young girl to a young woman. Does that even make sense? I mean, I don't know, but basically I am just documenting my fashion style, my decor style, beauty, lifestyle, everything in between as I go from a young girl to a young woman. If you are in this phase, then you might as well subscribe so that we all learn together. Like, a lot of people go through this, like once you cross over 25, you just begin to, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but yeah, let's not rant about that. That is a whole different story for another day. And today's video is about my minimalistic room tour. This is my bedroom and it is very minimal. I don't have a lot of things clustered in here because I literally cannot sleep if I have too many things in my bedroom. So this place is pretty much only the essentials. Okay, it is very functional, it works for me. I hope you take some tips from it. Let's get right into the video. I will be linking everything that I got for this room in the description bar below. Mind you though, some of these things are very old, like 2 years and over, and it might be very hard for you to get them again. However, I'm just going to leave the links down below because I still have them on my Taobao account, so I will still leave them down below. If you find them, lucky you. If you do not, you can find similar items also on Taobao or your online store. Just take the inspiration, and I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. So as you can see, it's not a very big room. So this is like, it's longer but not wider, if that makes any sense. I am now standing at the door and this is the view once you enter the bedroom. So let's talk about this rag. This rag is from Taobao. The link is in the description bar below. They've got super cute rags, like you can and very cheap as well. I think this was about maybe 78 RMB, and it's about maybe 200 by 140. Yeah, I think it's 200 by 140. So I have this rag right in front of my bed, so I can stand on to look right into the mirror, which is right here. So usually I would dress up here, but I do not put shoes on these unless they are like new shoes that I'm talking about or taking a picture of. Then no shoes on this rag. So this rag is absolutely no shoes on. Okay, it's for like standing in the mirror. So the mirror is then right here. Hi everyone. So right here, this mirror is also from Taobao. I got this maybe 2 years ago. It's got like super cute detailing, like if you can see it. It was about 118 RMB. I think it's also maybe 200 by, I don't know, I've forgotten, but I'm gonna leave the link in the description bar below. So this serves me because like I can go far back and still be able to see the mirror. So this is like a great area for me to put my mirror, and the lighting from like my window kind of reflects perfectly when I want to take pictures and stuff or just look at myself. And I've got this mat here from IKEA. This is like a dining table mat. I have it here because sometimes when I sit here, I will eat some stuff like maybe snacks or cookies or something, or maybe drink something. I just leave it on that. I told you this is like minimal but functional. Okay, I've got this scarf slash duvet slash, I don't even know what it is, but it's comfortable. Okay, I got this from, I think, Moji. Yeah, it's not supposed to be for covering the entire body. I think it's a scarf, a winter scarf. I used to wear it all winter, maybe last year or last 2 years, and now I just use it to cover myself when I sit on this rug because like my TV is right here, like opposite. So I usually sit here to do stuff, be on my laptop, work. As you can see, my laptop is right here. So yeah, these sheets, let's talk about the bed. So these sheets are also from Taobao. I got these super cute flowery pillowcases from Wumart. the only reason why I got these is because the other pillowcases are white, and sometimes it can be very, very high maintenance, and I just wanted something that would be easy to wash. So when I sleep on this, and this is actually 100% cotton, and I've had so many people tell me to try and sleep on sateen. I don't know, this does it for me. Okay, this is not only serving as a little bit of color, it's also safe, because sometimes if I mistakenly went to bed without, washing my face or something, I don't have to worry because this is not white. You know what I mean? Yeah. And over here I've got my camera tripod right here, and I've got these curtains. They came as a set, so these curtains are from Taobao as well. Very, very affordable. I'm going to leave the link in the description bar below. So I don't know if you guys are kind of getting the vibe of this room. It's mainly like whites and grays, okay, and a touch of pink. All right, so let's go to the bedside table. I got these plants from Wumart, and these plants basically do not die. Okay, so they keep growing taller, and then they're gonna turn yellow like at the bottom, and then all you have to do is prune them, cut them, change the water, and put them back in. I love, love, love these plants. These books here, they're not actual books, they're just bookcases. It's just for decor. You can't read these. I will leave the link in the description bar below for in the description bar below for anybody who wants them. This plant was given to me by Shelby. It's pretty, and the vase is from IKEA. So here I've just got these books here to kind of match the whole thing going on here, and I have my book that I'm currently reading. It says Under New Management. Okay, this is a very good book if you are trying to read anything about business management and stuff like that. So yeah, I think that is basically it for here. So here I've got 4 pillows, just for aesthetic reasons, because you guys know that we usually only sleep on one of them. I do not have a bedside lamp because my lamp is behind my bed, which kind of gives it like a super cozy. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys. Let me just turn it on. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but it is reflecting. Now I'm going to put the room lights off so you guys can see. So this is what it does at night. Like if I put all my lights off, like this is reflecting. It is not in the way. I don't like the lamp being on my bedside table or my nightstand, so I kind of hid it behind the bed, so it kind of illuminates and gives this super cozy look that I'm kind of going for if I don't want to use the super bright light. So here I've got more plants. I'm a plant mom now. Hang on, let me put this light off because it's messing up the lighting. Just because it's also a bit bright. There we go. Okay, so here all these plants are from random places, and this particular pot or vase here, I made it myself. This is handmade, yay, whoop, whoop. And over here I've got this art, Black Girl Magic, and another art. This is very abstract, and this is incense. I'm gonna show you guys. Hang on. So here is a life hack for you. You can just because these incense, they barely stand still. So I just put in here is just bath salts that I put in here to make them, stick. And also it kind of helps when it starts burning because it goes right into it and you don't have mess all over the place. So take this tip and burn your incense the right way. Okay. So right opposite the mirror, so the mirror is right here, and opposite that I've got this art that I made by myself. I kind of got the inspiration from Pinterest. I just put them together, and it's also right here. It's covering my this socket over here, which I really hate and I don't want it to show. So I actually do have to do something about this. I know The only thing I don't really like about this room is like the black thing going on here, but this is a Huton room, and if you live in Beijing, then you know that Hutons have got the oldest buildings, and there is really nothing you can change about it. If you look here, you can see that the piping is here. It's a vibe, okay? If you want to live in this part of the town, it's a vibe. People outside of Beijing might not get it, but we get it, and this is like, you know, getting close to the culture and everything. You know what I mean? All right, so if I turn around, right opposite from my bed is my TV, and again, this door is not wide because it's a vibe, okay? And right now Netflix is on. So here I just got this low board, put my TV on, and over here is just these containers that I got from I think Miniso, that I've put these IKEA candles in. I never I never put these candles on though. They're just for the smell. And here I also have more fragrance from IKEA. These bowls or glass bowls are also from IKEA. And then down here I've got these books here, Architecture Now, and some a roadmap for Beijing, and this what's it called? Why does it keep escaping me? It's from Japan. It's from Tokyo. It's a bad book. Okay, I don't want to get into it. And here is just my bag that I'll be taking out later on, and these shoes that I got from Taobao as well. So yeah, I think we've covered everything. Oh, this paper bag is from Taobao as well. I got this maybe 2 years ago. I just keep it here to keep like random stuff. So right now you can see that I've got a towel in there, clean towels, underwears, anything that I want out of my way. So yeah, guys, this is the room, and this bed is super comfortable. So I think we've covered everything. If you like this, please like and subscribe for more. If anything changes here, I'll be sure to update you guys and link in the description bar below. Please don't forget to subscribe, and until the next time, bye.